Welcome to Man Cave Garage Workshop. Today we're going to address lighting in my garage. I do want to use this garage as a workshop, and I've been using it as a workshop for the last 8 years. However, the lighting in here is really just not cut it. So as you can see behind me, the light over my head, that is a standard strip light you can get at any of the box stores for about $20. They really don't provide enough light. I do have 2 of them in the garage. I do have a new garage door opener that you can see. That light does come on automatically, so when I'm working in here, that light's typically on. It is very bright. It does provide a lot of light for the garage. However, it does go on and off, and it is quite annoying. So I do want to change out the lights, the strip lights, put in some new lights that I got. That is going to require taking those down. There is no boxes in the ceiling right now, so I do have to put boxes in that ceiling. This whole thing is going to cost me about $60. I got 2 new lights from Lowe's. I will put the link in the description. They were on sale, so they were $20 each. I did buy boxes for the ceiling. We're going to replace those strip lights, put the boxes up, and then put the new lights in. So before I get started, I want to show you the parts that we need for this project. So we did get 2 new ceiling boxes that I have to install. They do have the piece for the heavy insulation, so I want to make sure that for these, whether or not I need them or not for the future, if we ever need to hang something bigger up there, I want to make sure it's sturdy enough and I don't have to replace that. So for a few dollars more, I got the heavy duty boxes. I did buy the porcelain light holders. These are Eaton, as you can see on the box. Also very heavy duty, for only a few bucks instead of the plastic ones. They provide a little more suave for the garage and workshop. So here we have the new quad burst 8000 lumen lights that we're going to hang up in the ceiling there. I do have 2 of them, so we're going to have 16,000 lumens in the garage, plus the garage door opener that I currently have has, I think, 6,000 lumen already. So garage is going to be quite bright after we're done here. So we're also going to replace the old garage door opener on the single car to have the same as the one in the double car, which is the 6,000 lumens. So we're going to have a lot of light in this garage when we're done. Here it is. Well, first one's up. 1 more to go. Well, there you have it. 2 8000 lumen lights, LEDs installed to replace our old fluorescent strip lights. The garage is a ton brighter. I'm looking forward to be able to do some projects and actually see what I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe, and looking forward to our next Man Cave Garage Workshop project.